Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking your ideal customer profile, identify titles, company size, and region. Once defined, set numeric targets, 50 leads per month, a 10% response target to measure progress. Make sure you have Sales Navigator access and a polished LinkedIn profile. This is your credibility signal. Then, prepare one outreach template and one follow-up cadence. These prerequisites let you run focused searches immediately, rather than wasting time guessing who to target. You now execute granular searches. Combine Boolean terms with title and company headcount filters to narrow to high-fit prospects. Once you get clean results, save 3-5 searches so alerts deliver new matches automatically. Make sure to preview profiles and use notes and tags to capture context, pain points, decision timeline, and mutual connections. Then export or sync lists to your CRM using the connector. Doing this creates a repeatable lead pipeline and prevents duplication when you scale outreach. You finish by launching personalized outreach. Send a concise connection ask with a specific reason, then follow with 2 or 3 value-driven messages across 3 weeks. Once someone engages, tag them as warm and move to an SDR cadence to book demos. Measure response and conversion. If results dip, troubleshoot one thing at a time, subject lines, send timing, or message personalization. Make sure to iterate weekly, because small tests reveal the fixes that restore momentum and scale your lead flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.